I've been working at Center for Extended Reality for around 1 year. I've started here by the course that is offered called Augmented Reality and Virtual Reality Basic, which I've took in my second year. I've got extensive training in the beginning of my journey, and I'm now working with virtual aircraft experience.
In XR, I've really honed my skills in virtual reality and augmented reality, and involvement in CXR labs in specific has really made me understand how immersive technology works. We worked on a research paper in which we were trying to understand the cognitive abilities of humans and how motor abilities really could affect the cognitive abilities of humans.
I have actually worked on recreating World War II battle, which is popularly known as Omaha Beach Battle. I have worked on integrating artificial intelligence with virtual reality to make a dynamically immersive world.
In my internship, I have developed an innovative project according to heart and circulatory system. It provides a 3D visualization about heart and circulatory system. It consists of heart anatomy, because about heart mechanism in a detailed way. It provides us an extensive opportunity to develop stent heart mechanism. We have created a new stent body which scoped up with only nerves.
We have worked with different type of tools. Some of the tools include computer-aided design like Fusion 360 and advanced softwares like Blender and Maya. So these tools have helped us to achieve hyper-realism on all the different types of 3D models.
Here in CXR, we encourage peer-to-peer learning where juniors learn from seniors and seniors learn from juniors. There are no boundaries here. So we work with professors and assistant professors on research projects where we research how XR can be used to solve various problems.